You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make banking project. It's a Visual Basic backend SQL Server project. So this is a part 1. In this video, we'll give an introduction to the project, why you need to do this project, what are the things will be covered, and also in Visual Studio, let us learn how to make a welcome screen. And this screen should go off after 5 seconds, and then the next screen has to come, our next form has to appear. Let us learn how to make all these things in today's video. So this project front end is VB.NET, the back end is SQL Server. So totally is a Visual Basic project. Now let us understand the project, what are the things we can add, how do we do this project. So banking is a very old concept. So what are the main things we need to cover here? So in order to make a project, so you require multiple forms. Therefore we can start with the welcome screen. So the first one is a welcome screen. The next we can have MDF form. So in MDF form you have to use the menu bar. We should know like how to create the menu, how to create the MDF form. Next, here is the banking. So therefore here is the account. So therefore you can create a one called as a account type form. Then account details, individual customer account details we need to enter. Therefore these forms we can use. This is the one form, this is another form. So here is you can enter the account details. Once you create the account, we can create deposit. So this is the deposit form. So when you have deposit form, you can have a withdraw form. Withdraw money. Then you have to check the balance. So there is another form. After that we can generate the reports. In the reports, account list, then you can have a deposit list, then withdraw list, then you can also make one transaction list for the each and account. So this way we can make around 10 to 12 forms in the project. So when you talk about welcome screen, so we need to create a regular form. So this is the form, and you can have a picture here, and yet you have to use the timer. Timer is a control. So once it is enabled, it will run automatically. Then we can set for 1 second interval. Then what we can do is we can count 5 seconds. Once it becomes 5 seconds, immediately we can move this, we can close this form, we can open the MDF form. We can open MDF form. So we'll learn all these things today in today's video. I'll show you like step by step. Therefore you can understand very easily. Then you can able to implement, you can able to write your own this project. So in case needed, you can download this project from iblix.com/download. So we have other projects also you can able to download from this location. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, so please subscribe. Also if you like the video, click like button, and if you want to say something to us, please write it in the comment box. So on subscribe or when you like this, so it will help us to understand like how many users are there. So also we can try to bring you best videos, therefore you can get the benefit from that. Now let's see that how to work with in Visual Studio, how to create the welcome form. So you can also go to iBlix tutorials and then click videos. So here you can see that we provide a lot of project related videos in a different languages, all related to the computer science and computer science projects and all other subjects. Therefore if you are looking for a job or you are doing academic project, definitely this channel will help you in many ways. Therefore when you have time, please watch these videos, also browse, and also please suggest to your friends who are doing computer science course, and please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription definitely will help us to bring more videos. Right, now let's start the Visual Studio. And if you don't know like how to work with, you're not yet install the Visual Studio, so we have video here. So you say Control F, then you can say Visual Studio. So if you search for Visual Studio 2019, so we have video like how to install Visual Studio. So please try this, so therefore you can able to install the Visual Studio into your system. Okay, let's start Visual Studio. So here is a Visual Studio. So if you want a new project, you need to select the type actually, what type of project it is. Therefore first you go to create new project. So here is the option create new project. Then, so in the list you need to select the Visual Basic and it should be a .NET. So Windows Form .NET Framework and the VB. So this is Windows Form .NET Framework VB. Here also it's available, so you need to scroll down. So there are different types of projects we can do, but if you want Visual Basic, so then you can just scroll down here and select so Windows Form App .NET Framework Application Windows Forms User Interface. So this is a Visual Basic and Windows. So therefore you need to select this one. So then you take next. So here is a project name. So you can give banking project. Then where you would like to save the folder. So where you would like to save. So if you want to browse, so browse this, go to D drive, project, and what is the folder you want. You can choose the folder. So for example, you want to create a new folder, VB banking project. Okay, so here is the banking project, sorry. You can select the folder here. So this is a banking project, this is a VB banking project under VB banking project. And here is a framework. So you will have multiple frameworks here. So we are going to use the 4.6. So you can use 4.8 or 5.0 depend on what you are installed. Okay. So this is the more stable, so therefore I'll use 4.6. Then you have to click create. So now you can see that it's going to create this project. Now the project is created, and here you need to understand this is a solution explorer and this is the properties window, and here is a toolbox, and this is the form. Fine, let the form, let it be there as it is. We go to project, we'll add a new form. So let's call it as a welcome form. So give the title as a welcome, name as a welcome form. So this is the welcome form. Now you need to change some properties here. So first property is you need to make it maximize, therefore it will come full screen. Then we can change the background color. So you want to make it black color, so you can choose the black color. Then you can check for form border style and choose none. So therefore there should not be any borders here. Now save this. Next you need to change one more property here. So banking project, below that my project. If you double click here, so there you can see startup form. So which is the first form. So this is the welcome form. So therefore you can choose the welcome form and then close this. Now if you run this, you can see that the form will come in the full screen. So the whole monitor is in the black color. So next step, so you can't close it also because there is no option to close here. So hold the Alt key and Tab key. When you press and leave, so you'll come back to design, then you need to close this. Alt Tab. So Alt Tab key you have to press and then you have to stop, otherwise you can't see anything else. Right. So next thing is to add picture here. So therefore you select a picture box. So there is a picture box here. You want to give banking project. Okay. So in order to do this, so we select. So we already pasted here some picture. Okay, let me resize this. So put some background color here. So you can just take the color. So then you select a text and then type the name. So this is banking project. You can also type your name here in case you wish. Now you need to save this file. File save as PNG. Okay, so in D drive we'll save this one, or else we'll go to this project itself, that is VB banking project, bin folder, debug folder. You need to save in the debug folder. So welcome picture. So this is a welcome picture. Fine, so that is done. Now we need to link this one. So therefore you need to go to image URL. So there is an image here. So browse, then go to local resource import. So this is the banking project bin folder, debug folder. So here is the picture. You need to select this, click OK. Then there is a size mode here. Size mode. Then you make it as a center image. Okay, normal. Okay, this is the auto size. Okay, we can use a stretch image. So we can stretch ourselves. Now let's see that how it looks. Fine. So you can make a little bit bigger. So therefore Alt Tab, then stop. Now, so this is your form. So increase the form size. So make a little bit bigger. Fine. So now you can see that you have a picture here. Now we need to add a timer to this, and we need to close this after 5 seconds. For that, go to toolbox, select timer, or you can search in the timer search box, timer, double click on the timer. So here there are two important properties. One is interval. Interval you have to make 1000, and then enabled is equal to true you have to make, because the moment I start the project it should be true. Now if I double click on this, it will take to the code window. So let us declare a variable dim ivar as integer. Then you can say ivar is equal to ivar plus 1. For every second we can increment this. Then if ivar is greater than 5, then what you can do is we want to end the project. So now there are no other forms, so therefore I'll just straight away I'll say end, but later you can see that how you can call the other form. So we need to close this form and then you need to call the other form. So in that case what you have to do is there is a new form 1. So you can say form1.show me.hide. Okay, so therefore to me means this form, welcome form to hide, and form 1 has to be shown. And immediately you need to stop the timer. Therefore you can say timer1 dot enabled is equal to false. So you need to stop the time, otherwise again and again the form will be shown, so that you want to stop it. Now if I run this, you can see that this form will be there 5 seconds. So the other form will come automatically on the screen. That form is closed and this form is appear on screen. So try this. Hope I understand like how to create the form, how to make a welcome form, how to add the picture. So all this you have to try. So we'll see in the next video like how to continue with this, how to add a MDA parent and how to create the menu, all these things. So thank you.